Ever heard of Bibingkoy, Tamales, Pancit Puso? Cavite has all these and more. But what if you only had 12 hours to try everything? I'm Edwin Quinto, and let me take you on a food trip around Cavite. Start the day at the market and try Bibingkoy from Aling Ika's Carinderia. It is a delicacy that can only be found in Cavite City. It is like tikoy, buchi, and ginataan in one. Rice flour with munggo inside, it is cooked much like the bibingka, with hot coals on top and bottom. A thick sauce made with coconut milk, langka, and sago is poured over the bibingkoy before it is eaten. Head to Asao for their Pancit Puso. It is a kind of pancit that you can find in Cavite City. It has all the ingredients of bihon gisado, but uses puso ng saging as a condiment instead of calamansi. Asao is popular for their Pancit Puso, and they've been serving it since 2001. Pancit Pusit actually came about when leftover adobong pusit from lunch was used to make pancit for merienda. Tita Ace makes great Pancit Pusit, with just the right amount of salty and sea flavors, and bright notes from the kamyas and kinchay. They also serve Tres Marias or Terno Terno, a meal that consists of adobong dilaw, kare-kare with bagoong, and kinilaw na papaya. Tamales is also a well-loved dish in Cavite. It is often served during Noche Buena and Medianoche. It is sometimes eaten with pandesal or with rice. Ground peanuts and rice flour is made into a dough and is steamed with chicken, pork, garbanzos, and hard-boiled eggs. If you still have space for merienda, don't miss the quesilyo or kesong puti. It is eaten not just for breakfast but at any time of the day. It is simply made from fresh Carabao's milk and vinegar. Juanita Papa has been making kesong puti since the 80s, and they deliver to restaurants such as Josephine's in Tagaytay. Pair kesong puti with salakot, which you can find at Dizon's Bakery. It is called as such because it is shaped like a salakot. It is light, fluffy, and oh so good with kesong puti. When in Cavite, a visit to Calle Real is a must. It is an ancestral home turned into a restaurant. The tahimik ancestral home was turned into a restaurant to showcase traditional Cavite dishes such as the noodle dish called Calandracas. It is a soupy sotanghon with vegetables, usually served during wakes in earlier times. It is said that the dish combines everything that the neighbors and family would give or donate to the family. Calle Real also serves paella, a very hearty caldereta, pork binogongan, and more. They recently turned one section into a space dubbed Placa Poblacion where you can enjoy listening to vinyls. Cavite is a treasure trove of delicious eats. A lot of these dishes don't reach other places in the country, and it's one great reason to visit Cavite and try all these dishes.